What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the Subi fam. We got the HyperBlue Squirtle back here again. We're gonna get it pulled into the garage and we are gonna freaking install HKS coilovers on this bad Larry. So let's jump to the video. Alright guys, so we got the HyperBlue here. Before we jack her up, I'm going to show you guys the HKS coils my boy Mitch has for this thing.
Snake God. Just make sure I had the lock nut.
Oh, say less.
Or we wouldn't be able to do it at all.
Gotcha. Oh. Honestly, the outside light is fire. Yeah. Look at these coils, guys. That's sharp looking, guys. Super clean. All right, so now that we showed you guys the coils, let's get the car jacked up. Let's get these bad Larrys in. Say less. Alright guys, Mitch is gonna go grab that other wheel off. I'm gonna start detailing this one. Just, you know, getting it nice and clean so we can put it back on. It should be nice and clean. We'll clean up the Brembros nice. Just start getting ready. Alright guys, wheels are nice and clean. These BBSs are so clean. The ones that come in the HyperBlue, the black finish, super clean. So let's get these stock coils out and let's get these HKSs in, baby. So guys, this thing does have full Cusco, pretty much toe arms, camber arms, lateral links. That's what you're seeing under here. It's got the white line sway bar in the rear. So you're just undoing the links, the struts, so then we can go up top, undo that, and get this baby out. That bolt just gave us a really hard time, but we got it, guys. Let's get it. All we needed was a little bit more leverage, baby. Let's get that side loose, though,
yeah,
right?
No, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm going to
Yep.
go move that side now.
So now we're going to jump to the other side. We're going to do this both rears at the same time, just so it doesn't put any weight on one side and pinch anything and make it a little bit harder. So we're going to get this side loose, and then we'll go up top, loosen up top, and be able to take it out. Nice. Alright guys, this one's broken free. We got the nut off, so we're just gonna tackle both sides at once. Alright, so now that the end link bolts are loose, the control arm bolts are loose, we're chilling to go up top. Mitch is gonna take everything out of the trunk, tackle the strut bolts up top, and the strut should be loose.
Arms move way better than factory.
Oh, hell yeah. Need to take this way. Alright guys, so we got the new HKS coilover lined up, looking nice. So we're just gonna rock to the other side, get everything nice, and then tighten everything up and move to the front. Who's hyped to see this HyperBlue get slammed? I know I am. Oh, look at that, guys. With the Cusco control arms, HKS coils look freaking great. Super, super sick. Super excited to get the fronts in and see how this baby looks. Alright guys, she's dropped, back coils are in, so we're gonna tackle the fronts a little bit quicker here and then we'll show you how she's looking. Alright guys, so we got the driver's side front coil in. Let's get the last one in and see how this baby looks, man. Super gassed to see this HyperBlue slammed. Alright guys, so we weren't recording when we were doing the fronts, but like I said, we got them all up there. Mitch is just tightening it up, finishing this, and we'll see how she looks. We'll drop her, see how she looks. We just dropped the car. She is looking sick. So we're gonna have Mitch, you know, back her out. We'll get some slow-mos of this, but so far we didn't adjust anything. We put them on exactly how they came out of the package from HKS. We just made sure, you know, they were all tight, but this is the height that they come. It's honestly perfect. Yeah. right.
That's a Snoopy, bro.
That's crazy. Alright guys, so like I said, we didn't adjust the HKS coils at all. We just made sure that they were tight, but this is how they come preset from the factory. So super clean. We're honestly super gassed with the fitment, just enough, no more gaps anywhere. I think it looks freaking killer, man. Killer. And alright guys, let us know in the comments what you guys are thinking about the HyperBlue. We are absolutely loving it. I think it's killer. The build's becoming killer. It's looking super clean. Let us know what you guys think. If you think it needs to go lower, let us know. But I know Mitch is super happy with the way she's looking right now. And obviously, you know, we've been doing a few suspension on these cars, so it did go a little bit smoother than the past few times. It took us about 2 hours, but really not bad at all. Coils super easy. I highly recommend it. We'll get Mitch's impressions, you know, on the future video on how the HKS coils ride, but it looks freaking sick, man. And alright guys, Squirtle, the HyperBlue, is officially on Coilovers. Super freaking exciting. I think she looks absolutely amazing. Let us know in the comments what you guys think about the build. I think she's already coming along super freaking aggressive, man. Clean. Oh guys, it's so good to see all the Subies here. We got Squirtle. We got Shadow and Sylvie over here looking super freaking clean as well. Remember guys, catch our videos on these builds. We got plenty of content for you guys. Shadow's looking so freaking clean, man. Alright guys, so here's how the HyperBlue is sitting with the HKS coils. Remember, we got more mods coming, so if you're liking all the content and you're liking the channel, smash that like button, show us the love, subscribe, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.